Hello, good morning. So, subukan natin mag-withdraw sa ating project velocity. So, dito po ay instant daw ang ating withdrawal sa GCash. So subukan natin mag-withdraw puntang GCash kung instant po yung ating withdrawal. Okay? So, stay tuned. Panoorin mo tong video hanggang dulo para update dito sa mga next video ko. So, ang ganda tong system na to. Okay? Instant withdraw parang blockchain po. Okay? Kasi connected na sa yung GCash. Okay? So, ito na. Let's go. So, ito yung ating GCash. Meron tayong balance na 2,116. So, punta tayo sa ating project velocity. Mag-withdraw tayo. Ayan, yung ating balance. Mamaya madagdagan yan. Okay? So, ito yung ating available balance sa ating project velocity. Okay? So, 50 pesos, i-withdraw natin yan papuntang GCash. May mga Maya, bank transfer. Ayan. Okay? So, GCash ang piliin natin. So, registered account name. Ayan. Then, mobile number. 0905-412-9919. Okay. So, minimum is 200. So, meron tayong 350 pesos. Meron natin 349 pesos. May piso. Ayan. So, i-request natin. So, meron siyang transfer fee 15 pesos. Okay. So, re-request natin withdrawal. So, gaano kabilis mag-withdraw dito sa ating project velocity papuntang GCash. So, request withdrawal. Ayan. Then, confirm withdrawal request. So, double check natin. GCash name, mobile number, then submit request. Balance. So, meron siyang 15 pesos kaya 334 ang ating tatype. Okay, request withdrawal. Ayan. Withdrawal is pricing, your balance is reserved. Okay? Ayan, dagdagan na Kanina 2-1 yan. Ang bilis, instant po yung withdrawal natin. Okay? Punta tayo sa transaction. Okay, ayan 334. So, instant po yung ating withdrawal sa ating project velocity. Okay? Ito po si Coach Jonathan Beat. Okay, ang inyong upline dito sa project velocity. So, napakaganda itong project velocity. Instant po. Parang decentralized. Ang galing ng system. Okay, walang delay dito. Walang delay. Araw-araw pwede ka mag-withdraw. Minimum is 200 pesos. Okay? Ayan. So, subscribe my channel, Jonathan Beat TV, para updated ka sa mga next video ko. Okay? I-share mo tong video para malaman ng mga members natin. Okay? God bless all. Grabe.